The course will start shortly. It is recommended that you have a piece of paper, your phone, or a computer available to take notes and write down your questions so we can discuss them together when you complete your pre-approval. Mortgage HFX is proud to offer you this short informational video where we will help guide you through the home buying process for the first time. This video is a starting point that will help you to understand A. What you need to start the process. B. What government programs exist in Nova Scotia to assist you? And C. What important people will help you in this journey? Let's get started. Buying a home can seem like an impossible task, and one item that often is not well understood is your credit score. First, using apps like Credit Karma and Borrow Well are great ways to keep an eye on your credit. Watch for potential fraud and know when your credit history is being accessed. You can view your credit free of charge once per year. Your credit score is a number derived from various factors, such as your credit utilization, who is looking at your credit, if you have late payments, and many other factors. There are two primary companies that offer this information to lenders. Respecting your financial obligations will help your credit to stay strong, and strong credit is the first key factor in obtaining a mortgage. This doesn't mean your credit needs to be perfect, and we will help explain everything on your credit report to you as part of the pre-approval process. Any areas of concern, how to fix them, and if your credit is strong enough for the type of mortgage you are looking for. The minimum down payment to purchase a home is 5% on the first $500,000 and 10% on the next $499,000. Any home with a purchase price above $1 million requires a 20% minimum down payment or more. Down payments are traditionally saved by the buyer, gifted by family members, or in Nova Scotia. Credit unions can offer mortgages with no down payment, and there is also a provincial down payment assistance program. Either of these zero-down options can help you to purchase a home up to $500,000 without having to first save 5% of the purchase price. The final factor impacting your approval for your mortgage are debt ratios. Debt ratios are a calculation of your gross income when compared to your existing debts and new housing costs. These numbers are referred to as gross debt GDS and total debt TDS servicing ratios. GDS should be close to 39% and includes items such as your new mortgage payment, property taxes, heat, and condo fees. TDS should be close to 44% and includes the numbers above plus your existing debt payments. Depending on the amount of your down payment, credit history, and other factors, the limit for each of these numbers could be higher or lower. Again, this is something we will discuss during the pre-approval process. You may be able to include additional types of income such as the child tax credit, car allowances, overtime, bonus income, and others. There are many types of assistance the government can offer when purchasing a home. Here are a few of them to keep in mind. The First-Time Home Buyers Plan allows you to access funds from your Registered Retirement Savings Plan, or RRSP, on a tax-deferred basis to purchase your first home. This money must be repaid or will become taxable in the future. There is also a limit, and you must be considered a first-time home buyer to use this program. The First-Time Home Savers account was launched in 2023 and allows money to be saved in conjunction with government incentives to be used later to purchase a home. The government of Nova Scotia offers a program that provides up to 5% of the purchase price of a home as an interest-free loan. This program must be repaid over a 10-year period. The last is not so much a government program, but a government cost of buying a home. In Nova Scotia, there is no rebate for first-time home buyers, and almost all communities charge a tax to purchase a home of 1.5% of the purchase price. We have purposely left this section vague as government policies and programs are always changing. As part of the pre-approval process, we will review all potential programs with you, help you apply, and answer your questions in more detail. Now that you have taken the first step towards being pre-approved, it is important to know the other professionals who will help you in your journey. Your realtor will help to narrow down what type of home you are looking for, how much it will cost, and much more based on the information you provide, like location, bedrooms, and what type of property you would like to own. Your realtor is the person who will help you to find your home. Your home inspector will help you to make sure your home is in good condition prior to purchasing it. A home inspection is optional, but strongly encouraged. After all, this is one of the largest purchases of your life. A home inspector will check for electrical, plumbing, structural, and other problems with the home. Sometimes you may also complete a well or septic inspection, or a sewer scope, depending on what kind of property it is and where it is located. Your insurance provider will help to make sure you are protected should your home ever be damaged or someone injured on your property. Your lawyer will help you to own your home. Your lawyer will collect all the money required to purchase your home, talk with the seller's lawyer, pay your deed transfer tax, and make sure you own the property at the end of the process. This is by far not a complete list of everything that will be required when you purchase a home, but it is a good start. Working with a mortgage professional like Mortgage HFX is free, and we will help to explain all the steps and requirements to you, introduce you to other professionals if needed, and be with you every step of the way. Thank you for taking the time to view this video. Mortgage HFX is powered by Premier Mortgage Center Inc. Brokerage and James McHugh, Associate Mortgage Broker. We strive to be accurate, but errors can occur and are expected as government programs and lender requirements change frequently. Please visit our website at mortgagehfx.com to start your pre-approval either online or in person, or give us a call at 844-7410. HFX. Mortgage HFX is a business name used by us. It is not a brokerage. Premier Mortgage Center Inc. is the brokerage.